In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate an AI image on Visme. Whether you're an experienced Visme user or someone who's just getting started, this tool can help bring your creative visions to life by turning simple descriptions into stunning visuals. Let's dive into the process step by step. First things first, you'll need to access your Visme account. Go ahead and log in. Once you're logged in, you have the option to either open an existing project you've been working on or start a new one from scratch. This flexibility allows you to integrate new images into your existing design seamlessly or begin an entirely fresh creation. Now, let's move to the left sidebar of the Visme editor, where you'll find various useful tools. Look for the Photos tab or section. This is the gateway to accessing Visme's extensive library of photos and images. However, we're particularly interested in generating new and unique images using the AI image generator they offer. Once you're in the Photos panel, direct your attention to the bottom of this section. Here, you'll see a button labeled Generate AI Image. Clicking this button takes you to the AI image generator, a powerful tool where the magic really happens. The AI image generator allows you to create images based on your own specifications and imagination. Begin by entering a descriptive prompt in the provided space. This will be the foundation of the image you're about to generate. The more detail you can provide in your description, the better. Consider including various elements such as style, color, and mood. You might also specify if you're looking for a particular type of graphic, like a 3D object, abstract, or painting. Now, it's time to explore style options. Visme offers a variety of them to choose from, including photos, paintings, icons, 3D, and more. If you're feeling adventurous or undecided, select Surprise Me to let Visme's AI inspire you with a more creative or random style. This option can ignite fresh ideas and provide unexpected yet delightful outcomes. After you've fine-tuned your prompt and selected a style, click the Generate button to set the AI image creation in motion. Visme's technology will take a moment to process your input and produce several image options that match your description. Be patient as it works its magic. Once the images are ready, you can browse through the results. Take your time to review each one, and when you find the image that resonates with your vision, simply drag and drop it into your project. This straightforward action helps you seamlessly integrate the image into your design. And there you have it. You've successfully generated an AI image using Visme. With these easy-to-follow steps, you can create unique visuals that perfectly complement your project, making your content truly stand out. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.